Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Siquijor Airport. Welcome to Siquijor. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before deplaning, please check the area around your seat and seat pocket to make sure you haven't left any personal belongings behind. Please exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as items may have shifted during the flight. We invite you to find your next story with us by visiting sunlightair.ph or by downloading the Sunlight Air app. Join Sunlight Miles, earn miles with every flight, and redeem them for rewards, discounts, and future trips. On behalf of Sunlight Air and the entire crew led by Captain Maniego, Captain Sabana, and First Officer Lacson, along with your cabin crew, Ryan and Kevin, thank you for flying with us today. We hope you had a smooth and enjoyable flight, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Kalalapag na natin sa paliparan ng Siquijor. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggat ang eroplano ay ganap ng nakahinto at ang seatbelt sign na hindi na nakailaw. Bago bumaba, suriin ang paligid ng inyong upuan at seat pocket upang masigurong wala kayong naiwang personal na gamit. Sa ngalan ng Sunlight Air at ng buong crew sa pangunguna ni Kapitan Maniego, Kapitan Sabana at unang opisyal Lacson, kami po inyong mga cabin crew, Ryan at Kevin, na nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat. Naway naging magaan at komportable ang inyong biyahe. Inaasahan po namin muli kayong makasama sa aming mga susunod na paglipad.